If you are a foreigner and if you just resign from your work, you need to notify immigration office within 14 days. And you can do it online. Here is how you do it. In their system, we need to do these 3 steps. Number 1, register a user ID. You can find a link in the description below. You see this button of the new registration and you click on it. It will show you this next page to agree on their terms and conditions. Now put your email address to register. Once you register, you will get an email from this website. Click on the link in the email. Then continue to input your information and set your password. Your password needs to contain uppercase, lowercase, symbols, and numbers. Click Proceed to Confirmation. Check the information and apply. Now you will get the username and it will be also sent to your email. Now step 2, submitting a request for use. As you log in with the username that you just received, you are now able to request to use the application system. You need to agree again to their terms and conditions. Again, need to put the information about yourself, username, sex, date of birth, and then confirm the information, and that's it. Once this is done, you will get an email that you are now able to apply for the notification procedure. There will be one more button under here that you can click on. You need to do the same thing over again. Agree on their terms of use. Select the status of residence and select the category of what you want to notify, and then name, and then other information of yours. And a few minutes later, you will get the email telling you that your application is completed.